Okay. Someone told me long ago.
Tomorrow I'm gonna get this spotter off compared to one of the other three. Just the creek that's on the other side.
Someone told me long ago. That was close. Oh! Got him.
Nice.
No.
Oh no, you're screwed. Yeah, I got you.
Bradley! Get him! Get him, Bradley! Oh no, he's coming off. He's coming off. Yes! Yes! Oh, I got... No!
Your neck, get your neck.
Oh, I thought I lost the fish. All right. This is the bigger one. Dude, he's actually pretty big.
Probably 22.
He's all slimy.
We'll measure it. Let's get a little estimate.
Nice slime dart.
Little
Snot rocket.
easy little 22 inches.
22 inches. Not bad. Nice little 20 inch. Oh, dude, that's a monster. Think he's ready to go? Really? Give him a tap. Oh yeah, there he goes. Is he gonna come out on the other side? No, he's right there. He's just chilling right under the kayak. I'm coming! Ugh. Bradley said he has a citation. I'm gonna ram right into you, buddy. It's a citation?
I'd be shocked. Yeah, that's gotta be.
I'm coming right at you.
If it's off by like half the day.
I'm coming right at you. I'm coming right at you.
Ooh. Shield.
Ready, check.
He gulped it too.
Check this
There
out.
was no chance I was gonna get a bad hit.
Oh yeah.
Let's just take a quick measurement.
Ooh.
Two citations in 2 consecutive days would be insane. Alright, it's 22, 23 while he's curled. If we straighten him up, yeah. It's just gonna be a hard hook removal. Stop it. Stop it.
Alright. Well, Bradley's got a citation.
Oh.
Fish. Oh, he just got off. Ooh. Huh. He literally just popped off. Alright, I gotta get this situated. Okay, so that was really difficult. He kicked the pliers to the front of the kayak. But yeah, there's the fish. He's not bad. I mean, he's not a citation, but like, you get the point. So, I'm gonna put him back in the water. He's destroyed my nice, clean kayak. So, dang. There he goes. He went right under me. Yeah. Alright, well, Bradley just caught a fish. I just caught one too. So we're doing pretty good on the day. I'm just casting by this dock. That's where I caught my first one. Weed. Whoa! Bradley's got a nice little dink. Mine was a dink too, so hopefully we can catch a big one. But I mean, a fish is a fish. I'll take whatever I can get. Oh, I didn't know if I had something running with it or what was going on right there. Off the pilot. I think I just had a bite.
Don't act like you don't know, just to know.
I cause drop my top, let it go, lose control, your true colors, always show.